Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A reliable power supply unit is the unsung hero of any computer setup, silently ensuring that your system runs smoothly without hiccups or interruptions. Whether you're a passionate gamer, a professional content creator, or simply someone looking for a stable and efficient power source for their PC, choosing the right power supply is crucial. To help you make an informed decision, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best power supply units available on the market. As of our last update in September 2021, these power supplies offer a blend of performance, efficiency, and durability to meet the diverse needs of today's computing landscape. So, if you're on the hunt for a trustworthy SU to power your rig, read on to discover our top picks. Please note that while the specific models and brands mentioned here are from 2021, the principles of selecting a quality power supply remain relevant, and you can explore newer options based on these criteria. Number 5. Deepcool PF500 Power Supply. The Deepcool PF500 delivers consistent power to my system components. I've been using it for a few months, and it has powered my CPU, GPU, and peripherals without any issues. The 85% efficiency rating is impressive, and it ensures that the power supply doesn't waste much energy as heat. The build quality is decent for its price range. It's not the most premium-looking power supply, but it feels sturdy and well constructed. The 120mm fan is relatively quiet and keeps the SU cool during extended usage. Installing the Deepcool PF500 was straightforward. The included 24-pin connector and other cables were long enough to reach all the necessary components in my mid-tower case. The non-modular design means you'll have to manage unused cables, but for a budget power supply, this is acceptable. Number 4. Deepcool PM500D Power Supply. The Deepcool PM500D boasts a 500W output, which is more than sufficient for my mid-range gaming and productivity setup. Whether I'm running demanding games or handling resource-intensive tasks, this power supply delivers consistent and stable power to all components. It's worth noting that the 80+ Gold certification ensures high energy efficiency, resulting in lower electricity bills and reduced heat generation. The build quality of the PM500D is impressive. It feels sturdy and well constructed, and its compact dimensions, 150 x 140 x 86mm, make it easy to fit into most PC cases. The fan is quiet and efficient, thanks to the Hypro bearing technology, ensuring my PC remains cool even during extended gaming sessions. Deepcool has taken safety seriously with this power supply. It features multiple protection mechanisms. Number 3. Cooler Master G500 Power Supply. The Cooler Master G500 exudes a sense of quality right out of the box. It feels robust and well constructed. The matte black finish and minimalistic design make it blend seamlessly into any PC build, adding a touch of elegance. The modular cable design is a big plus, as it not only reduces cable clutter, but also simplifies installation, allowing me to use only the cables I needed for my setup. This SU is rated at 500 watts, which is more than enough to power my mid-range gaming system. The G500 provides a stable and consistent power output, ensuring that my components run smoothly without any hiccups. It handles the demands of my CPU, GPU, and other peripherals effortlessly, even during intense gaming sessions. I've experienced no voltage fluctuations or overheating issues, which speaks to its reliability. The Cooler Master G500 boasts 80+ bronze certification, which means it operates with excellent efficiency. This not only reduces power consumption, but also generates less heat, contributing to the overall longevity of my system. I've noticed a slight decrease in my electricity bill since switching to this SU. Number 2. Aigo Alaska 500 Power Supply. The Aigo Alaska 500 delivers a stable and consistent power output of 500 watts, which is sufficient for most mid-range gaming and productivity setups. It handled my system, which includes a mid-tier graphics card and a quad-core processor, with ease. I didn't experience any power-related issues during my usage. This power supply comes with 4 SATA ports, 2 x 8-pin plus 2 x 6-pin graphics card connectors, 2 D-type bus connectors, and an 8-pin CPU power connector. This provides ample connectivity options for various components in your system. However, if you're planning to build a high-end gaming rig with multiple GPUs, you might need to consider a higher wattage SU. The build quality is decent for the price point. It feels sturdy enough, and the cables are adequately long for cable management. However, it is worth noting that this power supply is non-modular, so you may need to spend some extra time managing the cables to keep your build clean. Number 1. Darkflash WA600 Power Supply. The Darkflash WA600 feels robust and well constructed. It's evident that the manufacturer has paid attention to build quality, which is reassuring for a component that is crucial to the stability of your PC. With a rated output of 500W and an 80+ certification, this power supply provides ample power for most mid-range to high-end gaming and productivity setups. It delivers a consistent and stable power supply, ensuring that all components receive the necessary voltage. The Darkflash WA600 comes with a sufficient number of connectors for a variety of components. It includes 4 SATA ports, 2 D-type bus connectors, and a 2x6-pin graphics card connector, making it compatible with a wide range of hardware configurations. The 8-pin CPU power connector ensures that your processor receives stable power, essential for peak performance. Thanks for watching this video.